Alright, well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. It has been a long time since I've recorded a video, and I've been meaning to. Make the time to record a video, start a build project. I've talked to a couple of people about it, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So here's the deal. Today I am recording a video, and I am going to jump into the under 1,000 subscriber group build put on by Mike at Model Speed Shop. Yes, I'm aware I have 12, 19 days to do a full build from a brand new unstarted kit. Got this kit in the mail here a while back. Built this kit 25 years ago ish. Had a real fun time with it. Did a real cool paint job on it. And at the time, airbrushes were kind of a professional thing. And I still don't know how to use one. I've got like 4, but I don't know how to use them. I did try back in the day with one of those testers, Aztec. Complete failure. So I painted with rattle cans. And I would do color blends on the bodies by just shooting different colors while the paint was wet. Like I think I don't even remember what colors I used on that one. It came out kind of a silvery pink color, so I think I used like a silver and a pink, and just shot one on, and while it was just shot another one right after it. I don't think I'm going to do that on this build. Mike said something about trying to do a Halloween theme. I have an idea for a Halloween theme. Also, I spoke to somebody else about double dipping on this build, and they had a straight up Halloween themed build, I believe. I don't remember what channel it was. I can't find it in YouTube. I can't find the notifications and messages back and forth on YouTube, so that one has completely gone out of my mind. If you see this video and it was you, remind me so I can drop the hashtags and the group builds and the shoutouts and all that with you too. In the meantime, again, this is the under 1,000 subscriber group build by Mike at Scale Speedworks. This is my entry for that. The kit is the 57 Chevy Corvette Gasser by AMT Ertl. And this is a pretty old kit. This one I've got this back there somewhere on the shelf. I don't know if y'all can see individual kits back there, but I've got this one on the shelf. I ordered it again. This box is roughed up. Got it in the mail, opened it, saw it. Think, you know what? I want to build that. And so that's what I'm going to do. 19 days. I don't know if I can get this accomplished, but I'm going to give it a shot. And I do have 4 days off the weekend before Halloween. So, there we are. And this kit is brand new. I'm not going to do an unboxing. But it is new in the bags. There's body. There's front clip. Getting used to this new camera, too. It's just weird. What is that, focus? Depth of field. Depth of field is far different from my old phone. Yeah, so I'm working on several things. As usual, I'm on a steep learning curve. I've got... Dang it. 2 front tires. 2 rear tires. Big slicks. I like those. Who doesn't like big slicks? I've got clear. I've got chrome in the bag still. I've got some decals in here. I've got the blue printer, subscribe, sign up card thing. And I've got instructions. And I think that's it. I thought this was a metal axle kit, but I don't see any metal axles, so I'll figure that out along the way. Gonna put that back in a box. Put the lid back in the box. And once again, Mike said something about it'd be cool to have Halloween themed stuff. I've got a couple ideas that I think might fit the bill and make for an interesting build. So, with that said, I am going to jump off here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and except for that 4 days off, I work 7 days a week. So, yeah, good luck. Good luck to me. And I've got to leave for work in about an hour and 45 minutes. That said, I'm going to try to get all these small parts in primer, which isn't that hard because if you've seen me build, and right now, if you haven't seen me build, check out the videos on the channel. There's a few in there. And if you have, you know that I just shoot everything in primer and then paint by hand, most of it. The body, I'm not going to do that, but I may have to take a trip to the supply store to get the color that I want to paint the body in. Yeah, in my 19 days, working 7 days a week, hobby supply stores are open till 5, and I work till 5, and blah, blah, blah. Fun. 19 days is going to be a challenge, but I accept. All right, so like, subscribe. I'd appreciate both of those a bunch. Sharing would be awesome. I know that is the theme of the Under 1000 group build, is to share each other's videos. If you feel so inclined, I would appreciate it greatly. If you don't feel so inclined, I'm not gonna come find you. That said, do leave a comment down below. Question of the day. Comment down below, what do you think would be a good 3-color scheme for a Halloween themed group build? 3 colors, automotive, group build, color scheme. Comment that one for me down below, and I already have a color scheme picked out, sort of. So your comments may influence my final decisions. That said, as always, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and y'all know how to do that. Be kind. Just be kind. Be nice to people around you and to yourself. We're always too hard on ourselves, so be kind to yourself. I'll see you next time.